Okay, welcome to my assignment 4, which is the Python's graphs and file savings assignment 4. So this is Bowen, and I'd like to go through my code for this assignment. So first of all, the CSV file of the Titanic train is over here, and I need to import this into the code. So I'm using the yopen file and use the reader and put the lines in reader and amend command, and I use the assertion to make sure this database has been successfully imported into the files. And next step is to save the data per the column. So I use the for loop. First of all, I use the headers equals to line 0 and data equals from the line 1 to the end, and I print the headers as passengers equals the array to make sure it is running per my wheeling. And here for the dictionary, I use the for loop to put the key equals to the ID, which is by number, and then the values equals to the dictionary I, and then the key, each person's key equals to its value, and I amend the passengers into the dictionary, and I also run the print to verify this is stored per my wheeling. The next step is to extract the per the requirement, which just requires the survived and the class, age, and gender for the passengers who survived. So I put the array equals to survived for person in passengers, and the class the same, and the age equals to float, because someone I need to clear the database a little because someone's age is like with digits, so I need to revert that into the float. And then here also the gender survived also equals to per the sex, and if the survived equals 1, which is the boolean, to make sure we just put who survived into the this array. And next step is to import the matplotlib library and the Seaborn library. And then this step is to generate the plots for survivors of the incident using the pie chart. So the title, I put the Titanic survived person, and maybe I just put survivor. And then here's the color. I use the red and green, and this is the syntax of the pie chart. So counter survived values and labels equals to counter survived dot keys, and this is just to show 2 digits of the pie chart, and I also put the colors array equals to the colors, and then this is the pie chart. And next step is to run the gender breakdown of the survivors using the bar chart. So I also the same put the title and the color, and then I verify the counter function before I plot those numbers. So I put print counter survived, and then I also the syntax of the bar chart per the matplot library. So the counter gender survived, this is the keys for the X-ray, and then the y-axis is the values of the counts of female and male, and the color equals to that, and it shows like this.